Hey guys, this is Eric with Carolina Blind Crafters. We just finished up putting up these Draper Flex shades in Fort Mill, South Carolina. Wanted to show you how they work. Put them all up. Super quiet, stretch super tight. We can go up to 25 feet with the Flex Shade XLs. That is the product on the back here. This is a charcoal chestnut fabric with the chestnut hardware. So from the inside, all she's seeing is that bottom hem bar at the bottom, or at the top there. Go ahead and drop them again. Look at this view from the inside. She's got the forced air heaters in the ceiling, so she can run those during the winter time and keep all of that warm air in here. Get all that privacy. So again, this is Eric with Carolina Blind Crafters. Have a great day.